wished I could do that. And there are some volunteers in Cameo. Being silly, those ones. There they are, all packing stuff away. Like good friends should. Do you need a hand? Are you okay? There they are, packing stuff away. And a volunteer just going home. Do you need a hand? Are you okay?
Oh, I'll go down the second hand for it.
Okay. Have a nice evening. It's Percy, the small engine being packed away. That's his engine part for Percy. And the 78-year-old, I don't know what his name is, but... Right, that's it. There's the 70-year-old. Hello. Hello. You over there. Hello. Oh, never mind. You over there. Oh, you over there. Oh, you sorry. It's you There they are, all packing stuff away. Oh, there we go. Now that's really packing away. He's all ready. You going now?